Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create XPS file or create a PDF from your Word document without affecting the format of your file in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to file. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on more. And the next thing you want to do is to option export, and then you are here, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you choose create PDF or XPS documents. Then here, preserving layout, formatting, fonts, and images. Content can be easily changed. Free viewer are available on the web. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on create PDF or XPS. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file location. So I'm going to save this file to my desktop right here. And then we want to make sure you choose either PDF or XPS document. So I'm going to go ahead and then once you choose your file format, go ahead and make sure you click on publish right here. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be successfully exported in the file format you choose, just like what you have right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.